Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Jose, and my channel's name is Arroyo JK, Tinkering Division. And we've had this cell phone holder for a couple of months maybe, and I recently got this hooked up on something, and it kind of tore it up a little bit. Um, you can see it's supposed to be straight, the whole thing, and it just bent this up like that, so it's not working as it's supposed to. It doesn't have the much pressure it needs, as if it would be the whole thing like like straight. So the pressure's not that much, and it keeps on falling off, and it's not working. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to use my 3D printer. I'm going to take this part off to just one pin right in here. I'm going to take that out. Um, Take this apart, get the measurements as close as I can, and use it's a program called Tinkercad. It's a free program you can use online to design your own things you want to 3D print. And they also you can go to, there's another place called Thinkiverse, and you can download anything that's free in there and print it on your 3D printer if you'd like as well. So I'm just gonna try to make one. If it comes out okay or not, it just it'll be more knowledge for me, and just learning as I go. So like I said, I'm just gonna take that off, get measurements, and put some videos on that as well. So without further ado, just dig into this. Thanks. All right, I managed to break this loose a little bit off camera, because I had to use a little pin I have, like something like this. Not, I didn't use this exactly, but I used something like that. And what I did is I put this on the vise, put that there like this, and I hammered it until I got this more or less like that, and now it's easy to pop out. Okay, all I have is a pin. Okay, that's the part. See, it's bent, kind of broken right there. You got the spring action, baby. And that's the part where it goes right here. Okay, let's set up the measurements and all that stuff, and I'll continue from there. Okay, it's all done. So it's right there. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I gotta finish taking this off. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to touch that with my hands. Okay. Now it's set. Okay, now what this machine, other part of the machine is going to do, this is the washing and curing station. So I'm just going to put this, that's just rubbing alcohol in there. It's submerged. Let's put the cap over it. Okay, I gotta put the plug in place. Let's turn them on. And wash station. It's on wash 2. Let's give it time 10 minutes to wash it. And well, after 10 minutes, I come back, take it out, and start the curing process. Okay, time has passed. The cleaning was done. Now it's gonna set this to dry. Right there. I'm just gonna let it dry there for a little while. It should be good in a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and set the stage for the curing process. I got this little metal plate here. It goes. Gotta get it right. And just set this here and just wait for that to dry. This is ready. Okay, some time has passed, so I put the item in there and modeled for the cell phone clip. Okay. Now it's gonna set this to cure, quick, normal, switch to slow. And we're gonna give it a time of, let's go half an hour, so that way we're set with that. So it cures pretty good. Alright, and this will be spinning there for half an hour. See the LEDs lit up on the back, which provides the the make-believe sunlight, the artificial sunlight. So that's gonna take 30 minutes to cure, and that should be it. And since it's pretty late, I'll finish this tomorrow, but it won't seem like that on the video. But we'll get back to this later on. I'm going to take off all those supports, clean the clip. I have to sand down the edges so it's smooth, and then try to see if it fits properly. Still have to do the fitting, so I'm not sure if it turned out okay, but it's just a start. Alright, that's it for now. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, next thing what I'm going to do this off camera, but I'm going to take this and I'm just going to clip all the parts out, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, I took all the base off, was holding this all together, and I still need to sand this down, but this is more or less how it turned out. In comparison to the original, it's pretty close, but not exactly. Alright, this is the result of the original piece I made. It's a little longer, but it doesn't really matter. I use this file, this Dremel attachment, this other Dremel attachment, just to grind all these areas that needs to be grinded down a little more, and then I used the cutting wheel to cut this down a little bit, because if you remember, it was about that long, so I cut off a piece of plastic off of it. Right, sanded it down. Now I gotta clean it up, and basically this would go on here. Go on there like that, straight, just like this, and yeah, should work. Well, this wraps it up for this video. It's already set in there. It's turned out much better than I expected. I mean, I'm surprised. That. Yeah. Much better. This is awesome. Can't believe it. It's so cool. All right. Well, that wraps it up, and I will be posting something new shortly. And thanks for watching. My name again is Jose, and this is my channel, Arroyo JK Tinkering Division. Thanks a lot, and see you guys later.